Hey guys, welcome back to Camp in a Box. Today we're going to complete the Roll a Superhero activity. For this activity, you will need your Roll a Superhero chart, your superhero profile page, and then something to apply color like markers or colored pencils. You'll also need a regular pencil and a permanent marker. You will also need a dice from a board game or a number generator that's set for 1 to 6. This activity, you'll use your dice or your number generator to roll a number 1 through 6, and those correspond to different columns in your table. So, for example, if you rolled a 2 as your first number, you would go to this second column where you have all the different superpowers listed, and then go down 2 rows to figure out what superpower your superhero will have. Keep rolling the dice to build your superhero. You should roll the dice enough times to get 2 different superpowers, a mask, a cape, and a symbol that will go on your superhero's costume. Once you have circled all of the elements of your superhero, go ahead and grab your superhero profile sheet and start filling it out. You can draw your superhero in the large box provided, and then fill in the information in the smaller boxes. This will help you build your superhero character for other crafts in the superhero box. Once you're done drawing and filling out the boxes, grab either markers or colored pencils and color in your superhero. I'll be using the superhero that I created for the basis of the other crafts in the superhero box throughout these videos. But you don't necessarily have to do this. If you want to make your superhero mask and gauntlets based off of other characters, you're more than welcome to do so. And with that, I'm ready to start on my other crafts. Remember to keep your Roll a Superhero template on hand, because you can use it to create sidekicks for your main superhero or even supervillains. Thanks for crafting with me today, guys. Can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.